Hello everyone. Today we shall discuss exercise 11.2 question number 3. Question number 3 here you see is length of the fence of a trapezium shaped field ABCD is 120 meter. If BC is equal to 48 meter, CD 17 meter, AD 40 meter, find the area of this field. Side AB is perpendicular to the parallel sides AD and BC. You see this is a trapezium, right? Let us solve this one. It is given that length of the fence of the trapezium, length of the fence, length of the fence of the fence, length of the fence, length of the fence of this trapezium, of the trapezium, of the trapezium, of the trapezium is equal to 120 meter. Here length of the fence, length of the fence, length of the fence of this trapezium, of this trapezium, of this trapezium, of this trapezium is equal to BC plus CD plus AD plus AB. According to the question, this will be equal to 120 meter. Therefore, we can find it as BC plus CD plus AD plus AB is equal to 120. Now the value of BC, here you see the value of BC is given as 48 meter. Therefore 48 plus the value of CD is equal to 17 meter, equal to 17 meter, plus the value of AD is 40 meter, 40 plus AB is equal to 120 meter. If we add all this, 8 plus 7, 15, 5, carry 1, 4 plus 1, 5, 6, 6 plus 4 is 10, that is 105, 105 plus AB is equal to 120. Therefore, AB is equal to AB is equal to 120 minus 105, and that is equal to 15 meter. That is equal to 15 meter, right? So we got the value of AB as 15 meter, and you know this is a trapezium, and we know that area of a trapezium is equal to area of a trapezium area of a trapezium is equal to half sum of parallel sides, that is A plus B, or you can write here as sum of parallel sides are this BC and AD, that is BC plus AD BC plus AD into height is AB into AB into AB. That is sum of parallel sides into height of the trapezium, right? Therefore, we are getting half. The value of BC is given as 48 and the value of AD is given 40. And we find the value of AB as 15 meters, as 15. Therefore, we are getting 1 by 2 into, if we add this one, 8, 4 plus 4, 8 into 15, that is 88. You divide it by 2, that is 2 and 2, 2 4 is 8, 2 4 is 8. Now, if we multiply 44 into 12, 4 into 44 with 15, then what we are getting, you see here. Multiply 44 with 15, 1, 5. 5 for 22, it is 0. 5 for 20 plus 2 is 22. 4 on 4, 4 on 4. This we are getting 0. 4 plus 2, 6. 4 plus 2, 6. 660. Therefore, if we multiply it, that we are getting 660. 6, 6, 0. The unit is meter square. Meter square. This is the area of the required field. Again, we are repeating. Here you see that length of the fence of the trapezium is given 120 meter. And you know that length of the fence of this trapezium is BC plus CD plus AD plus AB, right? BC is 48, CD is 17, AD is 40, and AB, we write it here as AB is 120. If we add this 105 plus AB is 120, therefore AB we are getting 120 minus 105, that is 15 meters. And you know that area of a trapezium is given by half of sum of parallel sides into height, half BC, that is parallel sides, BC and AD are parallel, BC plus AD into AB. The value of BC is 48, the value of AD is 40, and the value of AB is 15. Therefore, we are getting 1 by 2 into 88 into 15. 248, 248, that is 44 into 15. If we multiply 44 with 15, we are getting 660 meters square. Therefore, the area of this trapezium is 660 meters square. This is the answer. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.